we've seen connection establishment, right?
Yeah.
So today we'll see connection termination.
Huh.
Okay, connection termination is very much similar to connection establishment itself.
Okay.
Okay, you have client and you have server.
Okay.
Okay, either party, either client or server, will be able to request for a connection termination process.
Okay.
Okay, in this case, in the picture, client
Hmm.
is requesting for a connection termination from the server.
Okay.
Okay, so that is why client is first sending the FIN packet
Huh.
to the server.
Yeah.
Okay, and then server responds that back with a FIN+ACK packet.
Okay.
Okay, so then client in turn responds back with an ACK packet.
Okay.
Okay, like what we have seen yesterday.
Huh.
Uh, yeah, this one. This is for connection establishment.
Yes.
SYN+ACK and ACK.
Huh.
So there are various fields within this SYN packet.
Okay.
SYN is one of the fields. ACK is the other field. I'm
Huh.
talking about these fields.
Okay.
SYN is one field,
Huh.
one bit. ACK is
Okay.
another bit which is set.
Okay.
Okay, so similar way,
Huh.
you have FIN and ACK. When you set FIN, as we have seen yesterday,
Huh.
FIN bit was always 0 while
Huh.
establishing a connection.
Okay.
Let me open that PCAP file. I'm opening the PCAP file in Wireshark.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the PCAP file. If you look at that, there are 3 packets, right? What we have seen yesterday. It's a kind of
Yes.
a recap for yesterday's. This
This
is a
is a
SYN.
establishment, connection establishment, all these three.
Yeah, this is connection establishment. That's why you have SYN, SYN+ACK, and ACK.
ACK, yeah.
Okay, so SYN if you take and if you enlarge, if you open TCP protocol,
Okay.
and under that you have flags section.
Okay.
Open that fully. So once you open that,
Uh,
you see the FIN bit as well here, this line. This is the FIN bit.
okay.
Okay, FIN bit was always set to 0 in all the 3 packets.
Uh,
In all the 3 packets, packet number 1, packet number 2, packet number 3,
uh,
it was always set to 0 only.
Fin, yes.
That means we are not dealing with connection closure here. We are only dealing with connection establishment. That's why we are
Established.
setting SYN
Uh,
bit.
uh,
Okay. So now in the connection closure,
uh,
SYN bit will always be 0
okay.
and FIN bit will always be 1.
Uh,
Okay. When you are sending a FIN packet, when you send a FIN packet, FIN will be set to 1. This
Sin will be
FIN,
0.
yeah, SYN will be 0. SYN must
Yes.
be 0 or else it will get confused.
Yes, yes.
Whether this is a connection termination or whether it is a connection establishment.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So FIN will be set to 1 and
Uh,
then ACK basing on the need it will set. While sending
okay.
acknowledgement it sets to 1, otherwise it sets to 0.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, that is what I'm
At
trying to.
the initial, first sin will be 1, ACK will be 0, no?
Yes.
And then sin will be 1, ACK will be 1, and then sin will be 0, ACK will be 1.
Yes.
Oh,
See, in the step 1, SYN is 1, ACK is 0.
yes.
Okay. Then the sequence number, whatever it be. Then in the next step, SYN is 1 as it is, ACK also is made to 1.
Uh,
Earlier SYN 1, ACK 1, ACK 0. Now
huh.
SYN 1, ACK 1.
Okay.
Then SYN 0, ACK 1. This is just the
Okay.
acknowledgement back from the server,
Okay.
from the client to the server.
Uh,
Okay. See here, this SYN, first one.
uh, 1.
This SYN is SYN 1, ACK 0.
Yes.
Here SYN 1, ACK 1.
Uh,
This is SYN 0, ACK 1.
okay.
Okay. This is just an acknowledgement
Okay.
without any SYN. See, if you set only SYN bit, it is SYN packet.
Okay.
If you set both SYN and ACK
Uh,
to 1, it is SYN+ACK packet.
yeah.
If you set only ACK to 1, it is ACK packet.
Yes.
Okay, that is what is here. Here you
If
set
both
only
are one,
SYN.
SYN+ACK packet.
Both are one SYN+ACK packet, SYN+ACK.
Yes.
See, SYN is set to 1, ACK is set to 1.
Yes.
Okay, in all the other things, so either one is set, that's all. Either SYN or ACK.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So similar way, if you look at FIN packets,
Okay.
let me open that, this thing. Where is that? PPT, this one is it. Okay, so
Okay.
this is actually the full connection establishment starting from packet 1
Okay.
till 40 packets you have in this capture.
Uh,
Okay, see, first one is a SYN bit,
okay.
then it is SYN+ACK,
Okay.
then it is ACK.
Yes.
Now connection is established
Yes.
successfully.
Yes.
Then after connection is established successfully,
Mm.
okay, then it starts sending the packets. See, all
Okay.
these are TCP packets.
Okay.
Okay, from here till here within HTTP.
Uh,
See, there is a HTTP connection starting.
yes.
Get images logo.png, something we are trying
Uh-huh.
to send via TCP.
Uh,
Okay, so from here till all these are data sending in between.
yes.
Okay, and last three packets,
Mm.
which is FIN+ACK and ACK.
Yes.
Okay, don't get confused with this ACK.
Okay.
This ACK was the previous numbers ACK.
Uh-huh.
You see sequence number 726 here.
Yes.
So this ACK is for sequence number 726 here.
Okay.
Okay, a sequence, that is how it comes.
Sequence meaning that out of all the sequences of the packets, that certain sequence.
Yeah, this sequence.
Okay.
Okay, so 726
Uh,
and uh, acknowledgement number. See,
uh,
22951.
uh,
22951.
yes.
This packet is also sending the acknowledgement for this along with FIN.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so if you click on this FIN packet, see, this is FIN, this is FIN+ACK, this is ACK.
Yes.
Okay, so let's try to open and dissect what is inside this FIN. What are the flags inside this? Okay, you need not worry about all these packets in between.
Okay.
They're all different packets. See, they're only ACK packets.
Okay.
ACK, all acknowledgement packets.
Mm.
Okay. Only thing is that these three are our concern now. FIN,
Mm.
FIN+ACK and ACK.
Okay.
So FIN packet I'm trying to open now.
Mm.
Okay, and I just opened enlarged transmission control protocol, and under that I am opening flags.
Okay.
So what are the flags set here? As usual, we know this is not a SYN packet. So SYN is
Yeah.
set to 0.
Uh,
And we know that this is a FIN packet.
Fin. So fin is one.
Yeah, FIN is 1.
Mm.
And this acknowledgement is for the previous acknowledgement. You need not worry about that.
Okay.
Okay, like how we had uh, FIN 1,
Uh,
FIN set to 1
uh,
and ACK set to 0.
uh,
Similarly, you will also have in FIN.
fin. But now, sir, all this before what we had done was connection establishment, right?
Mm-hmm.
When you just pressed that in Wireshark, it came in three-way handshake. How to get now connection termination thing?
Same
This is
thing.
all connection termination things.
No, this is another file I have opened, that's all. See, two files I have. This is one PCAP. This is
Okay.
another PCAP file.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
This is a three-way handshake file.
Ah, okay.
This has only connection establishment.
Establishment. Okay.
See, if you open, yeah. If you just double click, it opens.
Okay.
Nothing to worry. See, two files I have opened now.
Mm.
This is connection establishment.
Okay.
Just only 3 packets you have. And I have another file which has both connection establishment and connection termination as well.
Okay.
Okay. So for yesterday's class we have seen this. Just
Okay.
connection establishment.
Okay.
So today we don't need that. I'll just close it because we have connection establishment here as well in a single file.
Mm.
Okay. So only this single file you have to open in the lab and show it to your teacher.
Okay.
Okay. So what we do, let us see what is SYN packet contain here. Same thing. SYN if you open, see, FIN is set to 0 because this is a SYN packet.
For the first packet, huh?
SYN packet. So SYN is set to 1, acknowledgement is set to 0.
0. Okay.
Okay. This is what is SYN packet. Now if you look at SYN+ACK,
Okay.
see, SYN is set to 1, ACK is also set to 1.
Okay.
Okay. Then ACK packet. ACK packet SYN is set to 0.
Huh?
Always FIN is 0 because we don't deal with FIN here. SYN is 0 and only ACK is set.
Okay.
That is how it knows that this is an acknowledgement packet.
Huh?
This is for SYN+ACK and ACK.
Okay.
Now connection is established. Now it starts transferring data.
Okay.
Okay, till connection is closed. So where is connection? Connection termination initialization is happening. Request
In the
is sent
last.
here.
Okay. After the search
Wherever
for the
you see
SYN+ACK.
FIN
Okay.
packet, yeah.
Termination.
Wherever you see FIN packet, it will understand that it is a termination requesting call.
Okay.
So first FIN is sent here along with the previous ACK. This we need not worry. This ACK. This is the first FIN request. FIN request sent by whom? By 192.168.1.2.
Where, sir?
Here.
Okay.
Source. Source is sending to destination.
Okay.
The FIN packet.
Okay.
And FIN+ACK, who is sending it back? The same destination now becomes source. Because destination is sending back to the source. That is what this means. See, same IP addresses. Okay. And now FIN+ACK is sent.
Okay.
Then client again sends back to the server saying that, okay, I understood that you also want to close. Then we can close. Then it just only sends ACK.
From destination, from source to destination.
From source to destination. See, first one is source to destination. Then this is destination to source.
Okay.
Okay, back. Here to here, here to here. Then again here to here. Three-way, right? It's a three-way handshaking.
Yes, sir.
So even while termination also, you will have three-way. Okay, this is called three-way handshaking. So SYN we know. So same file, single file, you have to open it and explain it over. That's all.
Okay.
You have SYN, SYN+ACK and ACK here. Open each of the packet and show it to her.
Okay.
Then after sending all the data, like I think it has sent a PNG image here. See PNG. This line if you see. PNG. Client requested a PNG.
That's the work which has been done, I guess. That's the data which has been sent, I guess.
Yes, this is the data which has been sent.
Okay.
See, logo.png. The simple file is sent. From whom to whom? From server to client. Client requested it. This is the server. Okay. See who requested the connection first? This fellow. 1.2 requested. So 1.2 is the client. Because TCP on port number 80 is always running on the server.
Yes.
Server's IP address is 174.143.213.184. This is the server's IP address.
Okay.
So now even image logo.png also client requested to server.
Okay.
Okay. Who is the source is always the requester. Okay. Then you see from 184 how many bits are sent. See from 184 this bit is sent, this bit is sent, this. And for all this, see this is sent, right?
Yes.
For that this is the acknowledgement.
Okay.
See TCP segment of reassembled PDU. This is an acknowledgement packet. ACK.
Okay.
This is again data. This is ACK for that. This is data. This is ACK for that. So server sends, client sends ACK. Server sends, client sends ACK.
Okay.
It is like that. Server sent data, and for that packet, this is the ACK.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'll tell you. See, this packet, if you open some random packet,
Yes.
okay, this is server sent to client, some packet.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And what is the sequence number there?
7241.
Sequence number is 7241.
Okay.
Okay. So, for this, next sequence number is 8689. So, for that,
Meaning the next sequence of packets.
yeah, 7241, this is the ACK you see.
Uh-huh.
Okay, this is the acknowledgement.
Sequence meaning like today, for example, some courier has come and that sequence is 400. Tomorrow, 401 courier will come like that, right?
Yes, exactly.
Uh-huh.
All the packets are numbered sequentially.
Okay.
Only then
Set
it
of
will
packets or
communicate.
each packet, sir?
Each packet is
Each
numbered.
packet has a sequence. Okay.
Yeah, each packet will have a sequence number.
Uh,
And that sequence number, it will respond back with the same ACK number.
okay.
Okay. So after sending all this data, here at this packet, it is done.
Mm.
You see, it is done.
Meaning of, yeah, that's why after that, FIN and FIN+ACK and all will start.
Yeah. After that, FIN+ACK and ACK.
But before that, one ACK was sent.
This is for the previous data.
See, sir, one more ACK was sent. Before the FIN+ACK, one ACK is sent. Why?
See, 726, this is the same thing. Along with the FIN, it is sending it, that's all.
But actually, first FIN should be sent, no, sir? No?
No, see, there is a data continuation here, right?
Okay.
So, it will utilize that. Whatever server has sent data. Okay, hold on, I'll tell you, I'll explain it to you.
For data establishment, it's SYN+ACK and ACK, right?
Yeah.
For termination also, it's FIN+ACK and ACK, right?
Yes, FIN+ACK and ACK only. Oh, this trial period is expired.
Oh, yeah, it was 23 days something that day.
I don't know whether I can use. I can use it still. Very good. It says trial period expired, but still I can use it.
Maybe you cannot save it. That's it.
Saving anyways we don't require. See, this is client, this is server.
Yes.
Okay, this is client, this is server. Okay.
Okay.
Now, what is happening? I'll just write it a little horizontally so that, yeah, this is SYN. Okay. This is ACK, SYN+ACK.
Then ACK.
SYN+ACK. Okay, now ACK is sent. This is only ACK for connection establishment. Now, this is your connection made.
Okay.
After that, it keeps on continuously sending data. It sends data.
Again, one more SYN. Maybe here that PNG image may be sent, maybe.
Yes.
Okay.
So you request data, server sends data, and client sends back the acknowledgement for this data packet again.
Yes.
Okay. So like this continuously it will keep on sending.
There all the data has been sent, right? There.
All the data has been sent. Yes.
Not packets, data after establishing the connection.
Yes. So finally, this is the last packet.
Which are data?
Data packet. This is the last data packet which is sent from server to client. Now, client has to respond back with an ACK, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Saying that all the data has been sent.
Yeah, and along with this, and this is the last packet, LAST. When this is the last packet, server also sends a HTTP packet saying that I am done. Okay. This is HTTP. Okay. Okay, if you see here, this is this HTTP. Okay. Now last packet is sent. Okay, last packet is sent here somewhere. Now what it has to do, For these two things, it has to send back acknowledgement.
Okay.
Okay, now client has to send two acknowledgements.
Okay.
One acknowledgement is sent here, this line.
Okay.
The second acknowledgement for this also it has to send, right? This is also a packet.
Okay.
So that is sent along with FIN.
Okay.
See, now one is sent for this.
Okay. Okay.
See, for this acknowledgement is sent. Now for this you should send an acknowledgement.
Oh, one sec. Oh, that I have that I have received an acknowledgement that you have that all the data has been sent.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Meaning
And
two acknowledgements.
And I have received all the data what you have sent, data packets what you have sent.
Okay. The first one is after the last data has been sent, the first acknowledge is saying that okay, all the data has been received.
Yes.
And the another acknowledgement is saying that yeah, okay, I have received the acknowledgement that you have received all the that I have received the acknowledgement you have sent.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So this is HTTP okay, saying that
Ah,
I have sent all the image information. All the packets are done.
Okay.
Okay, then further it has to send acknowledgement.
Yeah.
So instead of simply sending an acknowledgement, what it will do, it will also add a FIN packet.
Okay.
Now I am done, I don't require anything from you. So we can initiate the connection for termination. So now this is FIN+ACK. See, this is ACK, it is sending already.
Yeah.
Along with ACK, this previous ACK. This is the ACK. Don't get confused.
Yes.
Okay. So along with this, instead of wasting bits, it sends FIN also. Now server responds back with a FIN+ACK.
Okay.
Okay, then it sends back ACK.
So after the last data has been sent, two acknowledgements are sent, and after two acknowledgements, then starts the FIN sequence.
Yes, then starts the FIN sequence. So that's why in the first FIN you are seeing ACK also in the sequence. That is the reason.
Okay.
See here in the first FIN, this is the previous ACK for this.
Yes.
For this packet.
Yes.
Okay. Then FIN+ACK, ACK. So FIN, if you open and see the flags, FIN bit is set. This acknowledgement for the previous HTTP one is set.
Yes.
Okay. Then FIN+ACK. FIN+ACK also same thing. This FIN is set. Acknowledgement for the FIN this is. This is acknowledgement for the FIN.
Yes.
Here it is acknowledgement for the previous packet, not for this packet.
Okay.
Okay. Then ACK. ACK is just FIN0, ACK1.
Okay.
You got it, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the full file which you need to show to your teacher.
Okay.
Okay. So what you have to say? You have to say that you have captured your packets this way from this tool.
Yes.
From Wireshark tool. I have captured one of the PCAP files.
Yes.
Using this mechanism. You can show first interfaces. What are the interfaces running?
Okay.
There is only one interface here.
Yes.
Okay, Realtek network card. So through that, I went on to capture filters. I did TCP only, TCP and HTTP.
Okay.
Two things. Okay, by selecting two things, I have captured this file.
Yes, sir.
So this file, I will give it to you. This PCAP file, TCP example, establishment and termination.
That and three-way handshake both, sir.
That's what. TCP is a three-way handshake. Both. This also you want?
Yes, sir.
No, it has this as well, right?
Yes, yeah, that has. What if the teacher is very irritating? That teacher.
Okay.
What if she says, okay, just tell me how you got. Okay, you're saying that you got the three-way handshake. You captured it using that. What is that? Shark thing.
Wireshark, yes.
Wireshark. Do it now. How do you do it? If she says.
For that, you should have TCP and TCP server running.
Okay.
I don't think she'll ask that. That is senseless.
Wow, she's really senseless, sir. Seriously.
No, because you have to see. You have to. You should have a TCP client running and you should have a TCP server running.
Okay.
Both At that point, you should capture that.
Okay, okay. Then it's okay. I'll tell her that.
You say that.
Okay.
You say that. We don't
Okay.
have a TCP server and TCP client running as of now. Okay.
Okay.
So how did that guy do, your friend? Did he capture it live in front of her, or just
No, I
open the
don't think
file
so.
and show?
That is a 3-member group, sir. So they have to do something in that. Mine is a single one, so I hope she doesn't ask.
She will not ask.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure she will not ask. Whoever
Yeah.
has a limited brain, she will not ask.
Okay.
Because you should have, see, how you have to do is, I'll tell you. See, you should open two terminals like this.
Okay.
Okay, this is one terminal. This is second terminal. Okay, here you should run TCP client in Unix. I'm saying in Linux.
Okay.
Okay, not in Windows. And here you should run TCP server.
Okay.
Okay, this TCP server, you should write the entire program.
Okay.
And then this TCP client should connect to this TCP server on port 80.
Okay.
Okay, then you should read this TCP servers packets through Wireshark.
Okay.
Through Wireshark, you should capture this.
Okay.
You should capture locally.
Okay.
Like if you say capture interfaces, okay, see, through network it is not coming. It is all local data.
Yes.
So local data, I think which interface? Maybe one of these.
Yeah.
So this interface, something you have to capture. I don't know. Once you run TCP server and client, only then you will come to know what interface you have to capture.
Yeah.
Okay. So you say this is the procedure, I have captured it.
Okay.
It's a time consuming thing. I have captured it and I have kept it ready for you to identify the packets.
Okay.
Okay. That much you say. She will accept that. No doubt in that.
Okay.
And then you show all these three. SYN, SYN+ACK, ACK, and FIN+ACK, ACK.
Okay.
Okay. See, if you one second, hold on. Can we modify this packet? I'm just for clarity purposes. Show packet in a new window. Edit. Anywhere can I edit this file?
Can you edit?
That's what I'm seeing. Because to avoid any further confusion, that too you are saying she is not good. So I just want to remove this FIN+ACK ACK packet.
Why?
Because she says fin, it starts from fin, right? You cannot explain all this what I have explained to you. Can you do that?
No. What I will say is after the data has been sent, the server will give an acknowledgement to the client saying that okay, I've received the last data. Okay.
If she says where is only fin packet?
Okay.
Where is only fin packet? Like how you have only SYN packet here.
Yes.
If she says where is fin packet, if she stresses on that, see both look like FIN+ACK, FIN+ACK.
So what can I say that time?
That is what this whatever I have explained to you here.
Okay.
For these two packets, two acknowledgements. This acknowledgement is clubbed along with first fin. That is what actually happens.
So the first acknowledgement will come from server to client, no sir?
Yes.
So you're saying that with the second acknowledgement, saying that okay, I've received your the server's that your acknowledgement I have already received.
Yeah.
You're clubbing it with fin.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it, right?
That's it.
That's all I'll tell, sir. Instead of having another acknowledgement, I will just say that with the first fin and acknowledgement is sent.
Exactly. In the same packet, it is sent acknowledgement.
Okay.
Instead of wasting another packet and overflooding the network.
Okay. I can tell that, sir. No worries. I'll tell that.
So that is why this is the fin and ACK both are there.
Okay.
That you should be able to tell her.
Okay.
Then this file is sufficient, only single file. You can also say that logo.png is sent.
Okay.
From this source to this destination.
Okay.
So all this is data, and then finally it requested for a connection closure. 1.2 requested for a connection closure.
Okay.
Then this is a three-way handshake, three-way termination process. This is three-way connection process. Okay. Along with all these flags you have to show to her. Okay. You got it, right?
Yes, sir. I got it. This I'll tell that it's not no issues. I'll tell that.
Yeah, only that one you should be able to tell.
I'll tell.
Okay. Then you say, if she asks you directly, you capture here and show me. Then you say, we will not
We
be
need
able
server
to.
and client.
You need a server and client which is properly running. TCP server and TCP client.
Okay.
That TCP client should be able to connect it to that server.
Okay.
And then you say that we cannot write all that program in this given time. Okay.
That you can't tell her. She's very rude. Then she'll tell, okay, go. I won't give marks.
Then somehow you have to manage based on her mentality. You should say that I have already captured this file and these are the things. Or directly just open this. Directly open this file. Okay. Open this file and start explaining SYN+ACK and all. She will go along with the flow.
Okay.
She'll not be able to stop in between and ask questions again.
Yeah.
Okay. As soon as you explain about this capture, how you capture and all, you say on a running TCP client and server, I have captured this file. So open it directly. Open it and start explaining here.
Okay.
Okay. Since it is a three-way thing, SYN+ACK and ACK, 3 packets are required for connection establishment, and FIN+ACK and ACK are required for connection closure. In between, whatever is all there is data sent.
Okay.
In this case, it is logo.png. A simple small PNG file is sent.
Okay.
From packet number 4 till packet number 36.
Yes.
This is the data. Then last 3 packets are closure.
Okay.
Okay. And I think you have sent me that, what is it, PDF, right? One PDF about the format.
Format, and with the next class, maybe we will sit and do the PPT and all.
Yeah, this is a PDF only, what he has done.
Similar to this, like that format and all, I'll get this RV college, that thing and all will do.
Yeah, so nothing. These topics I'll tell you what to add.
Yeah. We'll do it. So next class. Is the teaching done and we can do it next class, or you need one more teaching session?
I think we are done, but we need to figure out these points, right? What to do?
Okay, we will do one session figuring out the points, and half session we'll do that. Next half we'll do the PPT. And one more thing is like what to tell. Maybe we'll do another class maybe on Wednesday or Tuesday or something, like my final, what all I have to tell with everything.
Okay, fine.
Do this.
Fine. So yeah, these points I need to finalize what to add. Okay.
Yeah.
So you will not have much same thing. You will have introduction. Under introduction, you will have what is a TCP, the three-way handshake.
Okay.
So how TCP connection works.
Okay.
Okay. What is before that? You will have introduction to TCP itself. In the introduction to TCP, you will have the packet format, header format of TCP.
Okay.
This one we have to show.
Uh,
Okay, this packet header format.
Okay.
Along with all these bits, FIN bit, SYN bit, ACK bit, and all. They are very important.
Yes.
Okay, and the sequence number, acknowledgement number, all these.
Yeah.
Okay. See, there are 2 acknowledgement numbers. You should not get confused.
Yes.
See, one ACK, this ACK, this bit. This bit is for connection establishment and terminations.
ACK, right? Yeah, ACK is used for both establishment and termination.
Yeah. There is another acknowledgement number here outside, you see.
Okay.
This is for packet itself. For the packet itself.
Yes.
This packet, if you have sent one packet, see this packet, if you have sent this packet. For this packet, this is the acknowledgement. ACK.
Okay.
So this acknowledgement is set here. Where is that? This acknowledgement number is set here.
Okay.
Not this.
Okay.
Only when SYN and FIN operations this ACK bit is set.
Okay. Okay.
This is an ACK bit. This is
Okay.
an
Okay.
ACK field.
Okay.
Okay, that's the difference. This is an entire field.
Yes, sir.
This is just an ACK bit, one bit, either
Okay.
0 or 1.
Okay.
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 So that is how. Where is that PDF? Where's the PDF? PDF here somewhere. Yeah. Yeah. So in the introduction, we should mention all those things.
Okay.
Then working of three-way handshake procedure.
Okay.
Okay. How does it work? What are the 3 steps for connection, and what are the 3 steps for termination? Okay. Then in between we will explain all these bits. Instead of routing tables, this guy has routing tables. Instead of routing tables, we will explain about the header format.
Okay.
What does each bit do? How does it identify each field, everything? Okay.
Okay.
All this we will explain.
Okay.
Then conclusion, we will put a conclusion.
Okay.
Saying that this is what has been done on a properly running TCP client and server.
Okay.
This is what is captured.
Okay.
So in between you will get a lot of pictures as well. Wireshark screenshots we have to put.
Yeah.
Okay. For a SYN bit, one screenshot, SYN+ACK, one screenshot.
Okay.
All this data. And how do you capture these things?
Okay.
These screenshots also you will get a lot of screenshots. So once document is done, it will be in good shape.
Okay.
Okay. We should also show these interfaces. We should
Yeah,
also show these values.
Yeah.
How the
Be ready for whatever she asks.
Yes, yes, yes. Be ready for whatever she asks.
Yeah.
See, once you prepare the entire subject, then she should ask within the subject itself.
Yes, sir.
If you are saying I am working on TCP/IP three-way handshake connection, she can't go and ask how does BGP work. That she will not do, right? So
Yes.
we are getting into all the complete topics of whatever required for TCP three-way handshake. So nothing to worry.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all this like this, you will get a lot of pictures and explanations as well. Let's not worry. Okay. We'll do that once we sit in the next class. We'll do that. Meanwhile, I'll try to put the things roughly in a notepad.
Okay.
Okay.
Like a draft.
Yeah. Directly live we will capture and put it.
Okay.
I mean live screenshots and all. We'll take the screenshots and then paste it on the document whatever we prepare. We will make it in a Word document.
Okay.
Okay. Then we'll convert that into PDF.
Okay.
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 You don't require a PPT, right? Or do you require a PPT?
PPT like just to show like how they have done. No, we have to do that, I guess.
This is PPT. This is PDF only.
But I guess they have not written, huh?
No, this is PDF only. They have written.
They have converted
written
to
in Word
PDF,
document
sir.
and converted it into PDF. This is also
Yeah,
same.
so we should also do the same, I guess.
Yes, then we'll do on PDF. We don't require PPT. Okay.
Okay.
That's all right. Same document we require.
Yeah, like this only. Yeah, in this way.
In this way, we'll do it.
Yeah.
Issues.
Okay. Okay.
We'll do it. One session is required for this. We'll do it. So
Yeah.
for today, we'll stop here. You try to practice the Wireshark. Try to install the Wireshark.
Okay.
Okay. It just takes. I don't know whether your Wi-Fi is up or not.
It's not bad, sir. I'll do it.
Okay. You do
Yes.
it. Install that. And meanwhile, I'll also send these PCAP files.
Okay. Just send me the videos also, sir. So if I that Wireshark download, I can just see and do it now. If I get stuck in between.
Which videos?
That Wireshark, how to download and all that.
Yesterday's class, you mean?
Yes, sir. That the only have to do run as administrator. I need to do, and I'll do it.
That's all. Nothing much.
Okay.
Nothing much. Anyways, they are in my YouTube channel. You see that.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yesterday's class also I have uploaded.
Just send the link. I'll see it and I'll download it after.
Yeah. Sure.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Fine, Chirag. We'll stop here today.
Okay, sir.
The next class we'll make it. You just ping me whenever you want the next class.
Yeah. Anytime. Tomorrow morning, a little busy I am. I'll just tell you. I guess tomorrow evening only is possible.
Okay, fine. No issues.
Okay, sir. Fine.
Yeah. Bye.
Okay. Bye, sir. Thank you.